Hello everyone, welcome to the part 3 of OpenCV. Okay, in our previous video we talked about one simple example and all the terminology or terms like I am read or I am show and everything. So in this program what we have done is we have used CV2, that is OpenCV, then numpy also, and matplotlib also. All the three libraries we have imported. Okay, then using imread cv2.imread, we are reading this image. Okay, and we will display that same image using matplotlib as well as using the OpenCV, and you will find the difference also. First we will display using matplotlib, and this is nothing but it will wait till you close your window. Okay, once you close your window, then second window will get open, and which is using OpenCV. And then again, if you will close that window, then only it will be like program is terminated. So first of all, let me show you the original image. Okay, it is this one. This is the original image. Okay, then using matplotlib, how it is showing or how it is going to display. First we will check that. So Control S and F5. See, you can see color combination and difference with the original image. And now if I close this window, we'll get the one more we will get the one more window with the same image name, but with using the OpenCV. See, it is now very clear image that is using OpenCV. So that is only the difference between matplotlib and OpenCV to display the image. Thank you everyone.